All right, guys, 2018 Denali 6.2 liter, lowered, got a supercharger, built out the yin yang. I'm not gonna say the other word. Built. He just put some stainless steel works long tube headers there, and there, high flow cats from stainless steel works there, and there. There'll be a link in the description. Stainless steel works X pipe. And then what we put on it, he had the stainless steel headworks mufflers. We took them off and replaced them with two VALVETRONICS mufflers, as you guys can see there and there. There'll be a link in the description for the VALVETRONICS mufflers, a pair of them there. So it's true dualed all the way back. Then 3-inch tailpipes out the back into 5-inch tips. On how VALVETRONIC works, it works off vacuum. I'm going to show you guys in a second. There's the valves right there. They're built inside the pipe. You can make it quiet when you want. And then once the valves open, it becomes straight pipe. The valve setup on it, this is how the package comes from VALVETRONICS. Sticker. There's the clicker, the vacuum lines, the adapter, and the vacuum system there. Okay? So it has that whole system in it, as you guys can see. There it is. That's how the package comes. It comes in a giant box over there with the mufflers and everything. All right. So there'll be a link in the description for all that. And just tell them Exhaust Addict sent you when you guys do order anything from VALVETRONICS, if you're going to order from this video, okay? And it comes in this fancy box. It comes really nice. I think they give a shirt out too with every package. Anyways, that's the universal mufflers there that we installed for them, okay? We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, so this is the VALVETRONICS system with the valves closed. Go ahead. Doesn't even... Sound decibels, again. Right at 114. Again. All right, now open the valves. That's open, yeah. Go ahead. Again. 117. The sound is amazing. Again. I like it. Yeah, big difference. You only hear it when you really get on. Yeah. Just that's what you want. Yeah. Open them. It's everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. All right, go ahead and back it up. Yeah, that's a big difference. And he's still tuning it too. Again. Open it. You can see the tone difference. Wow. That's amazing. I love it. So, there you go, guys. Let you guys hear on the inside.
This is with the valves closed. It's with them open.
Headers and high flow cats, X-pipe, and VALVETRONICS mufflers. This is where they close. Still not bad. They still sound good even closed. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna do it open next. Now it's open. This is with the VALVETRONICS now open. That's a really sexy truck. Really beautiful truck. So good. Beautiful. Enjoy, guys.